What do we think, guys? What do we think? Hi guys, it's been a minute since I did a get ready with me makeup video, the short version. If you want a long version, my other makeup tutorials on YouTube. But anyway, I've put primer on my face. I put sunscreen and then I put primer, and then now I'm going in with a black opal loose powder in my shade. What shade is this? In the shade 600 dark. And then you just set your face, and then after doing this, we're going to go in with our foundation, and then I'm going to go in with my Chanel foundation in the shade B30. Oh, sorry, in the shade 130. So I use a brush because the brush works for me. If you want to review on this foundation, I did a review on my YouTube video. It's on YouTube right now if you need it. So you see why I use a brush, because nothing is left. All the product goes on your face. The next step is concealer. This is a concealer I use, Allegro Pro Concealer, and now I'm going to use Zambians. You guys, it's not gonna be faking this, they'll be selling the fake ones. So if you want to know the original, the barcode and the ingredients go in opposite directions. So you see here the barcode is upside down, but the ingredients in a chronological line. So I use Kutan and warm honey. I can either use Kutan, I can either use warm honey, but I need to finish this warm honey, so I'm going to use the warm honey. And then as I wait for the concealer to set, you wait for it to set so that it can give you full coverage, I go in with my Juvia's Place in the shade number 4 contouring thing, and because this is so pigmented and I got something very dark, so I just put a dot right there in my forehead, in my brow bone. Then you know it's going to exactly on my chin, just to define it. And yeah. And then I'm going to go in with my Shea Glam liquid blush. This is orange. Should I put in another blush? Because why not? I'm going in with this Baby Goat blush, or the concealer. I used the shades Petal Talk, it's pink, and Orange Peel. And then I'm going in with Baby Goat blush from Essence. I got it in clicks. This is Ciao, I can't. Pinkalicious is the shade. Loose setting powder and my setting powder on standby. So this is going to go on the blush side, this pink one, and this one's just going to go on the concealing side on standby. So let's go. I think I'm supposed to start with ciao. But it's okay. I think I've done something right? Okay, now I have to watch a video how I'm doing the blush and the concealer. Forget right. I'm going to go in with this. I'm just showing you guys. Then I'm going to do my face with camera. Don't copy me. Then I'm going with pink. Sorry guys, I set my face with the brown rose powder. My entire face apart from the concealer and the blush. So I'm going in with my MAC powder and setting my face again for that blurring finish. Just going under there to contour my face. I know I look like a ghost, and after I was just going to set it all with setting spray. I don't have like this look now. I need everything percent. So now it's time to warm my face with some powder contouring and powder blush. I'm going to go in with this brown. Oops, I thought I was recording. I wasn't. So I'm going in with this pink from the festival palette. It's called Iriji. And I'm just putting here at the high cheek area. I want to try Ofala. I've never touched this side. No, I have. Let's try it. Why isn't it? Oh. What's in that? Exactly. Then you just blend it in there like that. Love me a bright pink. Let's go and do that. Wow. Love me blush. Love me some blush. I think let's contour this. I don't like so much blush, like I don't contour my face with, I want it to seem like I've contoured my face with blush. Yeah. And then it's perfect, it's perfect. Let's go in with, don't have to blend in my nose. Anyway, back with the setting spray. Now I'm looking up so that I don't crease my under eyes. Anyway, so I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera. I'm not doing an eyebrow tutorial. There are so many eyebrow tutorials out there, and it's 2025. What do you mean you don't know how to do your eyebrows? That's unacceptable. So I'll be back with my eyebrows. I'll be back with the eye. Actually, yeah, I'll be back with the makeup after I'm done the makeup. I'm going to do a lip tutorial for you guys because I love me a lip tutorial. So you guys, this is the makeup look. I was inspired by Beats by Deb to do this look. Yeah, I'll set a screenshot right here. Let's do the lips. We're going to go in with the dye eyebrow pencil. It literally says dye eyebrow pencil. Going with brown gloss. Oh, this is like a berry maroon shade. I got it from Shea Glam in the shade Death. It's a Rick and Morty collab. I just use it to go around where I put the brown liner. And then I'm going to go in with this pink by Smudge. And then I'm going to go in for extra shine. I'm going to go in with this Essence one. Although it makes my lips chapped, but something's gotta give. What do we think, guys? What do we think? Did I nail it? Because I think I did. Anyway, bye guys. Check out my next video.